Once upon a time, in a cozy forest, there lived a brave little bunny named Benny. Benny had the softest brown fur and the biggest, kindest eyes. He loved to hop around and explore the forest. But he had one big dream: to find the legendary golden carrot. One sunny morning, Benny decided today was the day to find it. He packed a tiny backpack with snacks and set off on his adventure. Along the way, he met his friends, Sammy the squirrel, who was busy gathering nuts, and Lila the ladybug, who was resting on a flower. "Do you know where I can find the golden carrot?" Benny asked them. Sammy chattered excitedly. "I heard it's hidden in the tallest meadow where the butterflies dance." Lila fluttered her wings and added, "Just follow the rainbow trail and you might find it." Benny thanked his friends and followed the rainbow trail. He hopped over streams and through fields of flowers with butterflies flitting around him. Finally, at the end of the trail, he reached the tallest meadow. There, in the middle of the meadow, gleaming in the sunlight, was the golden carrot. Benny's eyes sparkled with joy as he carefully picked it up. But then, Benny heard a soft, sad sigh. It was Mr. Turtle, who was having trouble finding his way home. Without thinking, Benny offered Mr. Turtle a share of his golden carrot and guided him back home. Mr. Turtle was so grateful, and he gave Benny a shiny shell as a thank you gift. From that day on, Benny and Mr. Turtle became the best of friends, and Benny learned that helping others was the greatest adventure of all. And every time Benny saw the golden carrot, he remembered the wonderful adventure and the new friend he made. The end.